Hi guys, welcome to Chef Mooney coming to you from Mooney's Kitchen. Today I'm baking, it's Sunday, delicious banana bread. Come on, let's get on with the recipe. We're going to need 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of butter, unsalted. I've got half a cup of almond meal, half a cup of coconut flour, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 5 eggs. I'm going to put some vanilla bean in here. You can use vanilla extract if you wish. A little bit of mixed spice, some baking powder. We're using 5 medium-sized bananas. Now, you will need a mixing bowl with a whisk, and also you need a baking tin to bake the banana bread. So now all we need to do is put these ingredients together. It's very, very quick and simple, and it is deliciously moist. Okay, so just peel your bananas, make sure that they're nice and ripe. You don't want bananas that are too hard. Okay, now all we need to do is mash these bananas. As you can see, they're nice and soft. Okay, now we're going to add our brown sugar. Mix everything together. 1 cup of butter. You can use unsalted or salted. You're going to mash this all together. Push that through. We're going to add our eggs in. Just going to give those a whisk. Break them up a little bit. Pour them in. Mix around. Now we're going to add our vanilla extract, about a teaspoon. It's beautiful vanilla paste. Teaspoon of mixed spice, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of coconut flour, and half a cup of almond meal or almond flour. Now we just give this a mix. I'm going to swap over now from the whisk to a spatula. And we just want to mix this now, making sure that we scrape down, get right down to the bottom, make sure you've got no flour and clumps of flour in there. Just give you a pan of spray with some oil, canola oil, olive oil, whichever. You can use butter. And we're just going to pour this now into our tin. Now you just want to level it. Now you want to put this into the oven at 140 degrees Celsius for about an hour. Come on guys, we'll put it in the oven and I'll see you once it's cooked. Okay, so the banana bread's come out. Just let it cool before you start moving it. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift it out onto the cooling rack here. And we just want to let that completely cool. Here it is, beautiful banana bread. This is one of the most moist banana breads you can ever find on the internet, trust me. There are a lot of great recipes out there and this is joining them. Look at that. Can you see the bananas in there? Beautiful. Now you can, as I said, add walnuts to it. And if you turn it around, there's still quite a bit of moisture coming from that. And it's still a little bit hot at the moment. So let's give it a bit of a taste test. And smells really delicious. You've got that flavor coming through there with the vanilla bean. Delicious banana bread. Smells fabulous. Unbelievable. This recipe, you gotta try it. Gotta try it. There we go. Come on guys, look at that. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do make it, let me know. I know you're gonna love it. leave a comment, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notified with all my videos or the new ones coming out. I post every week. Take care guys, have a fantastic week, stay safe, see you on my next recipe. And smells really delicious. You've got that flavour coming through there with the vanilla bean, brown sugar, soft brown, dark sugar, dark brown sugar. That's how it. Oh, keep going. If you just keep rolling. Okay, let me get myself together for the old promotion. I can use it on the bloopers anyway. There we go. Can we see that? So now all we need to do is put these ingredients together. It's very, very quick and simple, and it is deliciously moist. Okay, first up, we need to put our brown sugar in. Oh, hang on. Let's just keep it rolling, that's fine. And I'm just going to take the skins off. Oh, that black shit in that bowl. Oh dear. So just peel the skins off your banana there. And if you have banana skins, they are sensational. Pan up to me again. And if you've got your leftover banana skins, don't throw them in the rubbish. Put them on your roses.
What?
Yeah, Mum. Mum's idea. She said, oh, they came out really good. Well, they have actually. So she must be doing something right with the old thingy. Right, I need a fork. Okay, so if you zoom back into here. Okay, now all we need to do is mash these bananas. As you can see, they're nice and soft. Yeah.